Hi and welcome back to part 2 of the inherited house. This was the hoarders property which I inherited. This is now the final part and this is the final goodbye. So this is the house now after many hours of work. So at the minute we're upstairs in the main master bedroom. Can't quite see the sea, but the sea is just down there. We are just in Hove, just off the coast, 100 yards from the sea. So this room is now cleared. I'm not going any further with this. I was going to refurbish the whole house, but it needs too much work for me to do on my own. So I have put a bathroom in. And we go out into the hallway. This is now empty. Nice hallway. And then, so that's one room there. This is another room here. That's better. So there we are. I'm going to go into the small bedroom. I'm just going to leave the little bits of furniture behind now. So it's quite trippy. So yeah, and come out, and you've got bedroom number 3 at the top of the landing, which is just here. So we can come in, and then this room is now all cleared. Again, just a small couple of units left in here, and the bed. And there's Brighton, just out there on the horizon. So that's the upstairs, now cleared, and now we make our way downstairs to the rest of the house. So we've got 2 flights of stairs. I'll calm down, and then we're into the main living room. Here's the main living room. These beautiful ceilings. These bay windows on the doors and the balcony, and it's a small balcony out onto there. And we've got this massive room. It really is the size of a ballroom, and we've got these lovely fireplaces in here. So this room is now all done. Just last bits coming out now. There's been a bit of damp on the wall there, and the wallpaper's peeled off. So then we go into the hallway. As you can see, here's the hall, and we come into this main room. Beautiful fireplace. Again, ceiling rose, really high ceilings. And then we are just into 2 halves, so kind of the heavier dance music side, and then they also have a chill side. So yes, a huge difference to what it looked like. So maybe. So then, as we come down the hallway, lots of stuff here. Let me just move this out of the way. So I did a refurbishment on the toilet. New toilet, new wallpaper. Didn't put flooring in. I was going to do new flooring throughout, but again, haven't done that. So yeah, the toilet is looking nice and usable. And we're on to the hallway, and then just here we have the bathroom, which has just been redone. This is had the green bath in it previously, so we've tiled everything. Nice big mirror on the wall. Hey everyone. So yeah, was going to put new flooring in here, but didn't get around to doing that. So yes, the bathroom is now usable. New sink, new taps, new bath, new shower, new tiles, repainted. Used the big mirror and put that on the wall. So that's what the bathroom looks like. Previously there was a big hole here. I've just covered it up with some plasterboard, but I'm going to leave that as it is. And the kitchen is now accessible. There's some stuff in here still. I just got to clear this away today, and then this will be all empty. I had got a kitchen to replace this one with, but it needs really more work than I was going to do on my own. So there we are. Here's the kitchen, all cleared up. And just a couple of bags of rubbish to go up. There we are. All done. That's the final part. Once it's all cleared, I may take some photos and add those in afterwards. But thanks for watching this video on the second part of the hoarder's house that I inherited. And there you go. So that's what it looks like now. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.